last time I was here, Dan, there was talk about this new signature coloured range coming out. And here we are in front of me today. These look stunning. Tell me a bit more about these.
Thank you. They look great, don't they? So we've got the signature modern tap now comes in 4 colours.
4, okay. So what have we got here?
Well, you've got the brushed brass finish.
Which is beautiful, I might add.
And then this is the copper finish that we can do.
So that's much warmer, isn't it, in tone?
Yeah, they look great together, don't they? But
they really do, and it depends on your finish in your kitchen. If you're going for a kitchen, you know, with you know, gold handles on your cabinets and gold lighting, this would set that off amazingly. And likewise, if you've gone for the copper finish in your kitchen, this also would look amazing. And it's adding to the whole design, isn't it, of your kitchen for that high-end look.
It makes the tap a focal point.
Yeah.
Which is a real feature.
Yeah.
So these colours are on trend right now.
Absolutely.
And matching all the finishing items such as your handles, you're absolutely right. People are trying to do that. And the choices we give help that to work for you.
Yeah, I think if you've got, you know, a nicely designed kitchen with all of your lighting and your handles matching, and then you put a very standard tap in the kitchen, you are bringing it down. So why not make a statement at the sink? Why not add the design to something you're using every single day and is a massive focal point within the kitchen?
Yeah, that feature tap is really a genuine thing.
Yeah.
So you've got the feature lampshade,
Yeah.
you feature handles, you can tie it all together with the tap as well.
And you said 4 colours, so what are the other 2?
We've also got black and gunmetal.
Wonderful, so we'll get to see those soon as well.
Yeah, we'll look at those later on.
So what is involved, Dan, in achieving these beautiful finishes that we've got?
So we take the stainless steel tap and that's sent in small numbers to a UK company for a PVD finish to be applied.
So it's all still within the UK, and it sounds like when you say small numbers, it's almost like custom ordered. So you order the, you know, the colour you want, and then you're doing that in small batches.
They're more or less made to order with the finish because it's quite time consuming and there's so many quality checks that the tap then goes through to get it just right before it's sent out to the customer.
Yeah, and that's what Kettle's all about, is the quality finish, and you'd rather not send a tap out unless it's A1. You check it and you check it again, don't you?
Absolutely, yeah. It's checked before it goes out for finishing. When it comes back, it's also checked again. And if it's not good enough, we won't send it.
Yeah, and in terms of robustness, I know this is very different to other types of taps that I've seen out there where they're kind of brass plated. This is nothing like that whatsoever, is it?
That's right. So the PVD process is a metallic transfer of the colour onto the stainless steel, and it's incredibly robust. You're right. Yeah. It's used in applications for surgical tools, for example.
Oh, okay.
Where you can't have any errors with that.
No.
And then also some Swiss watches use it on the links and the components within the wristwatches.
So it's a quality way of producing the colour within the stainless steel itself.
Yes, and we've done that deliberately to make it as robust as possible.
Yeah, and it shows. It looks amazing. Yeah.